That's 350 landmark cards. That's 350B. That's 351 That's $350. Take a five anywhere around the ring. That's 350 week pardon. Out, done, on it, over, constant one.
It was a buyer's market at Carcoar on Friday, December 14th, where just over 3,000 head of cattle were yarded for the final store sale to be held at the Central Tablelands Livestock Exchange for 2012.
Just speaking about the December store sale at CTLX Carcoar, just over 3,000 cattle yarded, mixed quality yarding, very seasonally affected. Prices have remained relatively firm on last month. Buyers have come mainly from the south, I suppose, and as well as local buyers, not too many from the north. But on the whole, I'd say everyone's probably pretty happy with the way things have gone. There's been some very good prices, but also some pretty good buying too if you're chasing some quality cattle.
The top pen of cows with calves at Carcoar on Friday was secured by Leo and Doreen Grady of Forest Home, Black Springs, who bought a pen of 15 Angus cows with their second calves at foot, depastured to Timania bulls from Cradon Investments, Orange, for $14,030.